Welcome back to my channel, a little bit about everything. I had a little bit of spare time and I have a little bit of lumber left to saw. It's the hardwood lumber over there. It's not cold out, the logs might still be frozen, so I don't need water. If they're not frozen, I might need water if they're full of sap. So I'm just thawing up the mill right now, letting it run a little bit. It's got a skip in it. The Onan 24 horsepower on the Wood-Mizers had problems with the ignition coil. It would crack. And you can get them on Amazon or through Wood-Mizer, or because Onan wasn't just specific to Wood-Mizer. It was used on campers, generators, all kinds of things back in the 90s. I don't think they make it anymore. They stopped making it maybe back in 2010, I'm not sure, 2014. Don't quote me on that, I'm not sure. Okay, so, well, let's get on with it. Well, it runs on fuel, so it's empty. I don't know what happened to the fuel tank on this mill, but it ended up with a outboard motor fuel tank. Now, this might have been original to the mill, I'm not sure, but it's got a bobbin, a primer bobble, and quick connectors, and it also has a fuel filter, and it's a vacuum operated pump, right, to pump up the fuel. So it's a 2.5 gallon tank. And it'll run for about 2 to 3 hours on a tank, maybe. I am going to put whatever I saw over here, and the counter Has 2271 on it. This is going to end up plain sawing. If I was going to quarter saw, I would cut it in half, flip it right side up, and then cut boards going down, right? It's the simplest form of quarter saw. But what happens is, this is so small, if I cut it in half, I'm going to have boards that are 3 inches wide, which wouldn't be worth it, right? And this is hard lumber, so it's going to be 5/4. But I have bigger logs over there. I like to keep an eye on the tension on the blade before I go sawing free willy with no coolant on there, right? In case it starts building up and the blade snaps. Have to clear the live bark on this stuff. It only has to dry. This is maple. So this is going to give me quarter sawn lumber. Still chugging along. I'm not running out of gas. I'm running out of daylight. So, packing it up because there's going to be a snowstorm coming. I don't know if it's going to happen today, tonight, or tomorrow. But 76, 2276. And that's what I got done. I can't saw very fast in that lumber because it's ice. it's not an ice and a dense lumber to boot, right? Maple isn't like it's a hardwood. So let's take a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 12. 6 times 12 is 72. 72, 73, 74, 75. 75 1x6s. Some are 10 feet long and some are 8 feet long. Oh yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.